Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix there is a problem with the NVIDIA app. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and restart your computer. Okay, a simple restart may help fix the issue. Now, if that shouldn't work, you would need to manually update the NVIDIA drivers. Okay, there are two ways: updating it via Device Manager and reinstalling it by using our web browser. Okay, so the first option, right-click on your Start menu and click on Device Manager. And then in here, find Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card, Update Driver right here. Now click on Browse My Computer for Drivers. Let me pick. And then select your NVIDIA graphics card. Make sure that you use the latest version. Okay, and once that's done, just click on Next and your screen will flicker. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's pretty normal. So once that's done, go ahead and check it out. If that won't work, well, right-click on your Start menu, install the apps right here. Go ahead and find or look for NVIDIA at the top or the search bar. And then go ahead and uninstall all available or all NVIDIA related services right here. Uninstall, 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 and uninstall all. Okay? And then once that's done, open up your favorite browser and then just download the NVIDIA drivers. Okay, right here, download the official NVIDIA drivers. So just click on it. Now go ahead and go to the top, click on Gamers or Creators, download and just install it. Follow simple prompts, okay? And then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that won't work, weirdly enough, okay, when you disable notifications, sometimes NVIDIA or the NVIDIA app right here doesn't work well. So go ahead and find your search bar and type down notifications and actions. Okay, click on it and make sure that you enable notifications from here. All right, and then once that's done, go ahead and try to open it up. Now, if that still won't work, well, go ahead and find your search bar once more and find CMD, Run as Administrator. And then all you got to do is just type down SFC /scan now. Okay, and then once that's done, just basically hit on enter. It will scan your system files if there are problems, and if there are problems, it will just automatically fix by itself. Okay, once the SFC scan is over, well, you can now then go ahead and close CMD, restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. If that is how you fix there is a problem with the NVIDIA app. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.